What is the recommended boiling time for potatoes?
Hello there, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we'll explore one of the most essential cooking skills that everyone should master: boiling potatoes. Whether you're making mashed potatoes, potato salad, or just need a simple side dish, knowing the proper boiling time for potatoes can make all the difference.
How to prepare potatoes for boiling.
Before we jump into boiling, it's crucial to prepare your potatoes correctly. Start by washing your potatoes thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or debris. If you want, you can peel them, but keep in mind, the skin contains lots of nutrients. Next, cut your potatoes into evenly sized pieces. This helps ensure they cook at the same rate.
What kind of potatoes are you boiling?
The boiling time for potatoes can vary depending on the type of potato and the size of the pieces. Small new potatoes might only take 15 minutes, while larger starchy potatoes could take closer to 20 or 25 minutes. Small new potatoes or fingerling potatoes, approximately 15 minutes. Cube potatoes, approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Large whole potatoes, approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Remember, these times are approximations. The best way to check if your potatoes are done is to pierce them with a fork. If the fork goes in easily, your potatoes are ready.
How to boil potatoes.
Now, onto the boiling process. First, put your prepared potatoes in a saucepan or pot. Add enough water to the pot to cover the potatoes by about an inch. Add a pinch of salt, then bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low or low, so the water is simmering, not boiling over. Let the potatoes cook until they are fork tender. Remember the times from the previous section. And there you have it, your guide to perfectly boiling potatoes every time. Remember, preparation is key. Know your potato type, and always test for doneness with a fork. Happy cooking, and we hope this helps you make your best potato dishes yet.